I hope the campers learn about the culture behind computing. To study that, we're using Adinkra, which are symbols originating from Ghana.
I hope that all the learners are able to take away something from the Akan culture, the Adinkra symbols and their meanings, that they find and see themselves in them, and then they also are able to be creative with computer science. And I hope that they're able to see how you can bridge art and culture and computing and 3D modeling all together to have a really fun experience.
The campers were given a prompt, and that was to make an object that they would sell with an Adinkra symbol included in it. One of my campers made a World Cup jersey for Ghana, and I thought that was really awesome because he's super into soccer right now. So he included the Adinkra symbol on the back and made his own jersey.